The release of capitation remains a challenge in schools. And really, it's creating a nightmare in terms of management for the heads of institution. We therefore reiterate a call that we have made over and over again to the government to ensure the timely disbursement of capitation to schools to ensure the provision of quality education in schools. Hadi sasa hatuna ule uhakika ya kwamba madarasa hayo yote yamekwisha. Kwa hivyo kile ambacho nasema kwa sasa ni ya kwamba tunatarajia ya kwamba mwezi wa kwanza ama mwezi wa Januari mwaka ambao unakuja hatutakuwa na kile ambacho tunaita smooth transition.
The issue of sending children away for these illicit levies, I call them illicit levies because they are not actually legal levies by the government, is making our county, making our children not cover the whole syllabus because they miss lessons in the morning, even for 1 week, without attending to these lessons. The head teachers are on their neck. They have to get money from the parents for reasons they better know themselves.